Hello, everyone. I think we are done 5 minutes, so I think I should start. So, good morning, Sri Lalita, Leena, Aarti, Taranpreet, and Kamal sir. Thanks for being there. So, this compounding concept is like the magic. I think we should learn it earlier, but now that we are learning now, also it's beneficial, and even we can pass on to our next generations. So I will not be going with the introduction as we have done in the last session. So I will directly be going with that. Or for those who are listening to recording, I should say, like I'm starting this initiative, Her Wealth Circle, for the women to inspire them, educate them, and support them in wealth creation journey. And they can become financially independent and they can feel empowered by the education, by doing the investment, and by doing their financial planning. So thank you for being here and listening to me. So for today's topic, I will be mostly covering magic of compounding and I will be showing the investment options, but I will not be going in so much detail for the investment options because in one session you can't take everything in detail. So I will be having more sessions on that. So yeah, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. It is said by Einstein. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. So there are compounding is like in positive way, but if you misunderstood compounding, then you will be in loss. So I will be explaining this as we go further how it is. So before going further, I would like to ask one question. Like suppose if you have to like create a fund of 1 crore, how many years you think you will take for it? You can unmute and say, or you can tell me in chat box. With your current income, not with the expectations that in future I will be getting this or that. Because financial matlab, when we talk about financial planning, investment planning, we do with our current income, and as and when our income grows, so we do planning differently then. So it's always on the real terms, never on the intangible ones. I have talked about limiting beliefs and all those goal planning and all. That was just an exercise for like our future. But this one is like reality. So here we have to do the reality check. So everyone just tell me 20 years, Aarti, yes. So how much you think, Aarti, you have to invest every month if you wanna achieve 1 crore?
No income, Shweta. It's only a bit of savings every month that I do. So I think from the savings that I do, it will take 300 years for me. Or, sorry, 300 months.
Okay. Yes,
300 months. Yeah. So,
300 months, yeah. Okay.
so as of earning, जो भी पैसा हाथ में आ रहा है घर खर्चे के लिए, उसमें से 37.5% में सेव करती हूँ.
Very good. It's actually very good. We women are very good saver, but not an investor. So today
Correct.
I really wanna tell ki like we are keeping our money and it is losing value by just keeping in the locker. So this is the like concept of compounding that you will be surprised ki how it works. So welcome,
Yes.
Neeti.
Yeah, and I would like to say something here, Shweta.
Yes.
कि, in my 33 years of my marriage, मैंने कभी सेव करने का मेंटालिटी मतलब बैंक में डालने का मेंटालिटी नहीं था मेरा. जो हाथ में आता था थोड़े बहुत सेव करती थी, गोल्ड खरीदती थी, बस यही था. But in the last 2.5 years, this is what I'm being doing. Whatever I receive as money to run the house, उसमें से 37.5 निकाल के बैंक में डालती हूँ. वो कलेक्ट हो जाता है, फिर उसको एफडी में डालती हूँ, बिकॉज दैट इज द ओनली इन्वेस्टमेंट दैट आई नो. तो इस 2 साल में मैंने अराउंड 4 to 5 lakhs बना दिए अपना.
Yeah, very good. But as we go further, you will be surprised कि like
Yes,
where
yes,
we should be doing all these things.
Yes, that is why I am here with you, Shweta.
Yes, thank you for being here. So Niti,
See,
I was asking the question when you were not here. Suppose we have to create a fund of 1 crore. So how many years you think you will take to create that fund? With your current, I'm not asking for like something is coming from the heaven or something, just with your current income, current expenditure, the way you are running the house on the real plane. Or even is it possible you think, or you think it's impossible, I can't do that, it's not possible for me right now, I can't think of that much money right now. That is also good. You can share that also. If you want to talk, you can unmute yourself and you can say. Okay. You can't think. If I just say ki like you just need or how much you think you need to create that fund, like if I'm giving you 20 years of time, how much do you think? Like if we are just saving 10,000 per month, so it will take around 80 or 84 years to create 1 crore if we are just saving our money. So 10,000 per month we are saving. That means like 1,20,000 per year we are saving. So it will take more than 80 years for us to create 1 crore. And in our lifetime, I don't think we can create that, right? So I'll show you some quick thing. Yeah. So here is the SIP calculator that I'm using Value Research site. So here, like I'm saving just 10,000 per month. Okay. And I have given 20-year time for my money to grow. And here I have to assume the interest rate. Let's see how much interest rate we require for that. 12.5, 13. See, if we earn 13% interest, we can just with 10,000, we can reach the goal of 1 crore in just 20 years. So now do you think is it possible? Can we create that? Little bit of shift. Is it possible in our lifetime? Can we do that just by saving 10,000? I'm not taking big number, just 10,000 per month. Even if we do 1,000, here, if I do 1,000 only, then also you will see like just by saving 1,000 per month, we can create a fund of 10 lakh. So this is the magic of compounding. I have invested only 2,40,000 across 20 years, but I'm getting 10 lakh. So same with 10,000. Actually, crore mark is like we want to be crorepati, and that is a big figure in our mind. And I want to focus one more thing here. If you can see, initially, like from 5 years, you will not see much difference. Your money growing, you won't see that much difference, right? If you can see this chart where the pointer is, are you able to see that? And in the next 10 years or till 2035, you can see, yeah, there is some difference. I am getting some difference. But when you move more and more years, then you can see like how your money is growing. So compounding is like earning money on your money. So it is like dual thing, not the money you are investing, even the earning that you are getting, you are earning on that as well. So like if we increase our time horizon, it increases. If I just make it 30 years, so let's see how much money we are growing. So compounding is a magic, but you have to give it a time. So if you will give 30 years, it will almost grow to 4 crores. And if you want to just be in 10 years, so let's see how much amount we need. So let me make it 25,000 and let's see if we can reach 1 crore. Okay. Oh, 10 year is not possible. I think we have to give more time, 15 years. Yeah, almost, I think 13 year we have to give if we are investing 25,000. But as you have seen, just with 10,000 rupees in 20 years, we can earn 1 crore. But the thing here is like investment rate. So if you are doing in FD or anything, you won't be able to earn that. So I'll show you that as well. See, if I change the interest rate, if I make it 7%, mostly we get 7% in our FD. So your money will be half, 51 lakh. So there are actually utilities for every investment. I'm not saying FD is bad or RD is best. So we have to see like for what we are doing the investment. So as we go, we will also talk about how to choose, when to choose, for what goal, what should be the investment. Not in today's session, that I will do separately. Today I was just showing the compounding and the magic of the interest rate. So let me move. So are you guys able to like see some difference or understood something? Just tell me first, then I'll go further. Or you want some clarity, I'll do that. Anyone? Sri Lalita, Leena ji, Ranpreet, Niti.
Yes, I can understand what you are saying. Sorry, I'm not able to on my video. Some problem is in my laptop.
Okay, no issue. So Leena ji,
Yeah,
are you able
I
to
have.
see? Yeah,
Can I
Karan.
ask a question?
Yes.
Yeah. So as you were telling about compounding interest, so I understood कि हमें कितना invest करना पड़ेगा हर month. अगर जैसे 1 month, sorry, I'll just move to another room. So मुझे ये समझना है कि compounding interest हमें मतलब कौन से investments हम ऐसे करें जिन पे हमें compounding interest मिले, because यही ज्ञान हम लोगों को नहीं मिल पाता है.
Yeah. Next, as we are going further in the session, that exactly I will be covering.
एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज हम कई ऐसे बैड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर देते हैं जो वो मनी जो हम यहाँ लगा सकते थे वो कहीं और बेसिकली वेस्ट हो गया.
Yes.
सो
And
अभी
actually,
वही है कि यस जस्ट वांट टू ऐड वन मोर थिंग. अभी जैसे कोई फिक्स सोर्स ऑफ इनकम नहीं है, अगर फ्रीलांसिंग कर रही हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग माय एग्जांपल, सो आई हैव सम सेविंग्स. जैसे आई लॉस्ट माय जॉब 2 months back, so I just I'm living on my savings and trying to earn through freelancing. But what I want to do is like we all are pursuing matlab parent and life coach this course, so obviously we want to make money from it as well. We want to help mothers. So wahi mera plan, I want to get into that zone, say in next 2 to 3 years only. I want to be able to earn that much. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, that is there. But financial planning or investment planning, you have to change when your income changes. It is not a constant thing. Yes, you have deciding now and you can just stick to it. So very first thing is like you have to see, and need planning and want planning are different. So whatever interest rate, or I have shared 13%, I will share from where you can earn. But with that, you have to also understand that risk also comes. Otherwise, there won't be any FD, RD or anything. So you have to also see for how long, or like how early you need that money, or you can like leave it for some time. Is it for your need or for your want, for your lifestyle? So you have to see everything. So that's why there are so many assets and everything has its own role. So yeah, I'll take later in after this course your question if you have any doubt.
Mine also.
Thank you.
Mine also is connected to what Taranpreet said, क्योंकि अभी मेरा earnings नहीं है, तो जो हाथ में मिलता है घर खर्चे के लिए उसमें से थोड़ा सेव करती हूँ. वो एक अमाउंट हो जाता है, उसके बाद मैं FD डालती हूँ. This is my practice now. And whatever little I'm earnings with my passion that I have started, like because I take meditation classes, तो वो मेरा passion है, तो उसमें से एकदम मीगर अमाउंट मिल रहा है. उसमें से हाँ वो ही, and that is also not constant.
Yes.
है ना? So that is what I want. शेयर कि कांस्टेंट इनकम नहीं है, तो अगर इस महीने मैंने 10,000 का ले लिया, मुझे 20,000 मिल गया, तो मैं उसमें से 10,000 निकाल दी इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए। अगले महीना देयर इज नो गारंटी कि मेरे को 10,000 मिलेगा।
Yeah. So मतलब इसमें ये मतलब म्यूचुअल फंड्स मतलब आई फील फॉर लेडीज बिकॉज आर मतलब फॉर दोज हु आर नॉट वर्किंग और एज अ हाउसवाइफ वी आर सेविंग. For most of us, I feel mutual fund is good because our family is not dependent on our income. So whatever we are getting or we are saving, we can take a bit of high risk on that money so that we can get higher return because our family is not dependent on our income. If I'm not earning good, so my family will will be deprived of something. So very first thing is that, and as a woman we are like very fearful of the things कि यार अगर पैसा मार्केट में लगा दिया डूब गया तो क्या होगा. So for that actually you need some learnings okay, how not to lose your money because there is nothing still there is not 100% guarantee but 99% you will be sure when you are doing your study. You are not just not going on the tips or anything like outside someone has told you, or if market is going down you will be panicking. But when you do your study, you select your investment, you will be confident, you will be knowing why you have selected that. And yeah, as we will be going through, so I will be taking more of the investment option. So let's first focus on this compounding thing. So I have just created one example. So let me open that. Are you all able to see the Excel file? Okay. So here is the question. A father has like triplets, 3 daughters. And on their 20th birthday, the father said, "Ki I'll give you 10,000 on your every birthday till you will become 65 years of age." So 3 girls all are getting the same 10,000 rupees every year on their birthday. And they can do whatever they want. They can spend, they can save, or whatever they want, they can do. Is it clear? Just
Yes.
tell in the chat box or
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. So the first girl, I have written the 3 sister problem. Yeah. The first sister, she saved for 10 years. 10,000 every year she was getting. She saved for the first 10 years. But the other 2 sisters, they spent their money. They didn't started saving. First, the sister one, she has saved for 10 years, and for rest of her like 35 years till she turned 65, she is spending all the money. She is not saving. Whatever she is getting, she is spending. The second sister, she spent for the first 10 years. Then she thought, "Okay, yeah, my other sister, she is saving so much. Let me also start saving." Then she started saving. She also saved for 10 years. From the age of 30, she saved for 39. And then she also spent the money. And the third sister, she spent for the 10 first years. And from the 11th year, she saved till 65 years. I think good 36 years she saved the money. So who do you think will be the richest or will be having the most income? Just don't look at the Excel sheet. I have forgot to hide that.
Yeah,
Just
I think it should be sister one only because the value of money reduces, right, with the number of years. So that's what I think. जितना early आपने saving start किया है, उसका comparatively interest ज्यादा रहा होगा, value ज्यादा रही होगी. तो मुझे यही लगता है पहले वाले को ज्यादा benefit होगा.
yes, you are right. But the answer is like it's not because of the inflation. She is also earning 12% interest rate. That is because of the interest rate she is earning. Inflation, we are not talking. We are just talking about in this nominal values of the money. We are not going in the real value of the money. Just with the numbers we are going.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah. What do you think, Leena, Niti? Oh, I can't hear you. Please unmute.
सामने में आंसर है तो
yeah,
पढ़ाना।
yeah, I forgot to hide.
सामने में था तो दिमागी पढ़ा।
Okay, okay, yeah. So you can see the first one, she has just saved for 10 years and she earned 1 crore, 1.1 crore, 4 lakhs. And the sisters too, she has also saved from 30 years. Initial 10 years she didn't do, but then she saved, but her money is the lowest, 33 lakhs only she made. Third one, even though she started after 10 years, she saved for quite 36 years. Still, she was not as halfway as the sister one. So this is the power of starting early. And actually, I am also like unfortunate one. I didn't also started early. I didn't know that concept. Whatever little money we were having that time, we were feeling let's enjoy now. We will see later. अभी तो ठीक है, 5,000 से क्या ही अंतर आएगा. Let me spend this. Let me enjoy my life now, because we are so much in enjoying and doing everything. So this actually we can teach our kids. They can start early in their life. And I feel it is like most important lesson for the youngsters, so that whatever little money, even 1,000 you are getting and you are just saving for some time, you will be having much compounding, because your money will be having so much compounding on that. So yeah, मैंने खराब कर दिया मजा उसका दिखा के सारा पहले. But still you got my point, right? Okay, so here I have just written okay, like how we can maximize the compounding. The very first thing is like start now, even with the small amount. The longer you will give, the more compounding will happen. Initially 5-10 years you will not see much difference, but in the later year you will see huge difference. And second thing is invest regularly. Discipline is, I feel, like most important. Sometimes we do investment, but we are not regular. So whatever little amount we are feeling we can do, so be regular with that. You are having more money, you invest that also, like with some time, but at least some basic money you should have investing, like this much, or 10,000 or 5,000, 1,000, this much at least I will save each month. It brings actually discipline in investing. And yeah, when we see our money growing, our motivation also increases. And reinvest your earnings, whatever interest or anything that we are getting, that if we reinvest that, our compounding will happen much faster. And avoid unnecessary withdrawals. If it is not necessary, just give your money more time to grow. Stay informed and educated. And actually, like finance is the field where things are very dynamic and things changes so fast. So it's very important, wherever you are doing your investment, you should be knowing and have some update. And like it's an evolving field. How the more educated you are, or the more you know the options and all, you can make more money. So
Hi,
here are,
Shweta.
yes.
I have a query, like the three sister problem you mentioned, no? So sister
Okay.
one saved for just 10 years and the
Yes.
third sister saved for like 35 years or something.
Yes.
How still the first sister is having more money? Like,
Because her like first year 10,000 got 43 years. So in the later years, you can see the compounding to happen. Let me show you that tool again. See, 10,000. Here I have to like each month only I have the option. So you see if I put like 45 years, you see how much it has grown.
yes,
3.5 crores.
yes.
Or if I just do one lump sum only, or not a per month, if I just say do 10,000 in 45 years, see how much it will become. Okay, this is SIP calculator. It's not allowing.
मतलब जो आप कहना चाह रहे हो, just to add on to what you're saying,
Yes,
कि
yes.
इनिशियली जो 10 years उसने 10,000 रुपीज सेव किया, हर ईयर वो 12% जो बढ़ता रहा उस 10,000 पे, तो वो 12 मल्टीप्लाई, ये कंपाउंड
Yes.
होता रहा. दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग ना.
Yes,
और
yes,
उसके बाद जो
exactly.
10,000 उसे मिल रहा था, उसने 10 साल के बाद वो खर्च करती रही, बट
Yes.
उसकी वो तो सेविंग बनी रही. यही
Yes,
आपके
yes, yes. Earlier
जी.
saving. See here, we are having this. You see the curve, how much earnings she is having. Initially, not so much, but the see last years after 2060, the curve is going to exponential. So this is the power of compounding. The more year we'll give, the more compounding will happen. So if I just reduce this by 10 years, just see how much is the difference. Your 3.5 crore will become just 1.7 crores. In 10 years is the double difference.
Yeah.
Now can you see?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
If I make it just 25 years, so it will just turn to 78 lakhs. Because the lesser the year, lesser the compounding.
Mm-hmm.
So it is the power of the compounding that she is getting, because her by the time she is like 40 years, 45 years, she will be having already that much fund, because her interest is also accumulating, and on that she is getting 12%.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. So now I have just put the basic income categories, the investment categories. So these are not, I think we all are just now clear with the compounding, or you want any more thing on compounding?
It is not visible properly, Shweta.
My slide?
Yes.
Okay.
Shift it little left side.
Okay. Let's see. Is it visible?
No. Shift it left side. Only invest category we can see. And circles. We cannot see what is written there.
Now can you see?
No. Now also it is not visible.
Now?
No.
Is visible? Can you just check your screen? Because I can see Shweta's.
Oh, you can see fully?
Oh.
How to maximize compounding wala na?
Yes. Can you see all the points
1,
clearly?
2, 3, 4, 5 points दिख रहा है.
Yes, 5 points, yes.
वो दिख रहा है.
Okay.
Yeah, I also can see actually.
Okay. So I think Neeti just refresh or change some settings maybe.
Okay.
Might be the screen is zoomed, that's why you can't see. Just try to minimize. I also had the similar thing. Once I did, I can see them.
Okay.
No,
Thanks for
you
telling.
just have to turn
Okay.
your phone
No, okay.
turn your phone vertical.
Okay. Now okay.
Now I'm moving to the second part, investment category. I have put the basic income categories. There are much more. These are the like most famous 5 I have put here. The first one is like fixed income, like FD, RD, and many more others that I will be covering. Second one is like mutual fund. And now everyone talks about mutual fund, so I will be covering that. Stocks, real estate like land or anything, and gold. So these are the like most famous investment categories. Apart from these also we have many, but I will be covering these only in brief. So here I have put fixed income investment options. Are you all able to see my screen clearly? Neeti, are you able to see now?
Yes.
Okay. So the first one is like fixed deposit, bank fixed deposit. You can do like, these are the safest option. So very first thing is like whenever we go to the higher return, there will be more risk involved. So here, these are the fixed income options. These are the safest one. If you're putting your money in a bank and taking a FD, your money is safe till the time bank is safe, and also like till 5 lakh you have government guarantee also. So matlab FD is kind of, you can consider is like safest investment option. FD, RD, post office monthly income scheme, your PPF, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, National Saving Certificate, Kisan Vikas Patra, and LIC policy also gives you around 7% returns, and plus you get ATC benefit, and plus you are having the insurance coverage, life plus accidental. So these all categories are like good fixed income. But if you are like totally risk averse, you don't want your money to lose. If you're very much concerned about, ठीक है मेरा पैसा भले ही कम grow हो, but I want the security, I want the peace, I don't want to go in the high returns, I just want my money to slowly grow, I am fine with this much. Or if we are planning for retirement, let's say retirement, or some of the things like we wanna do our need planning basically for today or for our future, so we go mostly with the fixed income options because these are the safe and secure options. So here, as you can see, the interest rate, I have put the SBI one because now some NBFCs are offering around 8-9% also for the FD, but I have just put the SBI figures here. So SBI offers from 6.5 to 7.1, and in RD you get almost 4.5 to 5.5% return. And post office monthly income scheme, it offers higher return than this, 7.4. PPF, you get 7.1% interest, and plus you are getting ATC benefit. And also your interest earning will be exempt and the maturity will be exempt. Matlab, in PPF, you won't be taxed in any of the phases. Neither your investment, you can even ask for a deduction or under ATC, and then your interest earning will be exempt, and then your final maturity amount, that will also be exempt. Same with the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. This is, I think, the highest interest rate earning scheme in India. And this is for the girl child. If you are having a girl child between 0 to 18 years, you can open for your girl child and invest up to 1.5, I think, is the tax free. You can ask for the tax deduction. Interest earning is tax free, even maturity is tax free in this Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. But this is for the girl child, not for like us. We can't do for ourselves now. We can do for our girl child. This is a government scheme to provide so that we save more for our girl child. So NSC is like a bond, National Saving Certificate. It's a government bond, and government gives like ATC benefit on this, and you earn like 7.7% interest rate on this. Same is with the Kisan Vikas Patra, but it is taxable. The earning will be taxable, and you won't be getting ETC deduction also here. And like LIC, you will be getting the tax deduction. Your maturity will be like non-taxable. Whatever amount you will be getting will not be taxable, and also you will be getting the insurance. For like risk averse people who don't want the money to like unsafe option, don't want to play much, so these are the safest options. So if you wanna ask something related to that, you can ask me. Is these options clear? Just tell in the chat box yes or something.
Post
I have
office.
one question, yes, Shweta. Like we have Suganya Samriddhi for girls, do we have such investment option for boy child also?
No,
Anything?
it is just for girl child.
Shweta, I have a question. Any benefits a divorcee has?
No, I don't know particularly about that scheme. I don't know any such scheme as of now. I have to search. If I find any, I'll get back to you.
Yeah, any investment or any of the benefits what a divorcee, because I think government must have any kind of a schemes like a housing scheme or something. Do you have any idea about it?
I don't have as of now. I'll do my research and will get back to you. You can just drop me a message on my WhatsApp number. So, yeah. As in when I find it, I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yes, Leena ji, you were saying something.
वो जो पोस्ट ऑफिस पोस्ट ऑफिस मंथली इनकम स्कीम है,
Yes.
ये मतलब it's for do you have periods in that कि साल भर लगा दिया या 3 साल डाल दिया या 5 साल डाल दिया, ऐसा है? How is it? I wanted a
In this month, it's actually monthly like RD. Bank has the RD, recurring deposit. It is similar.
तो वो एक साल के बाद मैच्योर होता है कि ऐसा पीरियड्स है क्या उसमें?
There should be some period. I'm not able to recall right now, so I will see and tell you about it. So
No
there are mostly there will be period like FD you are doing for like 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. For how long you wanna do? There will be mostly that.
मतलब
So
it is RD, correct? Monthly
yes,
income.
it's a form of RD. Yes, yes. Every month you have to do the deposit. Same thing, same deposit. But it is better than RD because you are getting a lot more interest in that.
Got it, got it. हाँ, तो RD में सिर्फ up to 6.5 से 7 मिल रहा है.
Okay. Yeah, I have put just SBI number. Many NBFCs are giving higher than that, like 7% or in FD, some Shriram I have seen yesterday 9%. Some they are giving. So, but just I have put these numbers. So now I have done little bit of the calculation. The same thing I have shown you in the starting. Like you are doing 10,000 investment per month for 20 years. So if you're doing any of these, how much your money will be after 20 years?
श्वेता, मेरा
Yes,
जो लास्ट FD डाला ना उसमें मेरे को 7.25 इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है.
7.25. Okay.
मेरा लास्ट जो है which I for only 399 days.
Okay, okay. So you can make out because 7.1 I have, 7.4 also I have. Around this much you will be having. You can see around, yeah.
4 दिन पहले ही डाला है तो मेरे हाथ
Good.
Yeah,
so it's mostly 7% you can take. Some are giving less, little bit lesser. Some are giving 7.1, 7.5, 7.7.
जो बहुत पहले थोड़ा मतलब 2 साल पहले जो डाली हूँ वो 3 साल के लिए जो 4 साल के लिए डाली वो 5.4 ही मिला है. लेकिन इस बार जो डाला उसको मुझे 7.25.
हाँ, and here also the thing is like interest rate also changes, your things will be changing. Like after 5 years, if interest rate is 5%, you will get to invest in that only.
Yeah.
So these things we will be talking a lot more in coming sessions. So here now I'm just talking about the basic things. So here, like if you have invested 10,000 per month for 20 years in fixed deposit, I have taken the highest rate that is here. Like for FD, I have taken 7.1. So even you are getting 7.1, then you will be earning almost around 51 lakh rupees by the end of 20 years. So same I have done with RD, POMS. It's almost like around, you can say 50 lakh or 40. No one will be going to RD because it's so less. So it will be like 43 to like 56, 57 lakhs you can earn if you are going with the fixed deposit. And I feel like the most important thing is like, why we want to invest, what is our goal or what, for what reason we are investing. Then only we can see like, because every asset class has its own uniqueness and why people are investing. So first you should know okay, like, yes, I want the safety and security. I can like forego returns, whatever is there. I don't want to chase returns. I just want my money to be safe because it is for my need. If I don't have money right now, and my kids or my family may suffer. So very first thing is to understand ki, like what is our need, and or also understanding ourselves, because in starting we are very much like risk averse only. We don't want to lose money, and as a women we are to like mostly fearful कि यार going in the market अगर lose कर दिया तो क्या होगा.
Yeah.
Markets are cyclical, but if you take the 10-year period, so I won't see any investment that you have done would be negative. But shorter duration, there can be negative returns. There are crises. But if you are taking longer duration, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, then I feel like stock market is the best thing. I have never seen any year, like if you have invested your money in any year and you are getting less return than that. So now I will be covering little bit about this equity mutual fund. Mutual funds are like now actually I'm taking a mutual fund course, and there are 47 categories of mutual funds. So it won't be possible for me also to tell everything, and also not, you won't be able to like absorb all those things. So I have taken the 5 basic categories, or the like most sort categories that people buy here. So I'm not going in the definitions now. Just telling the okay, I will tell the basic definition. So large cap fund, mid cap fund, small cap fund, multi cap, and flexi cap. These are the 5 categories according to the capitalizations. So we have our मतलब हमारे सेंसेक्स में कंपनीज होता है, तो जो हमारी टॉप 100 कंपनीज हैं, इंडिया का जो टॉप 100 कंपनीज है, दोज आर लिस्टेड इन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. So if a mutual fund is doing investment in top 100 companies, so top 100 companies come in the large cap, next 150 companies come in the mid cap, and rest all comes in the small cap. Is it clear? Am I able to like differentiate them?
Yes.
Okay. So large cap are mostly blue chip companies having the highest market share. So this is actually SEBI definition only. So the same thing I have done here for the sake of comparison. Same 10,000 rupees, same 20 years I have taken the time. So now here actually I have done the calculation with the minimum amount, like minimum returns. So this data actually I have taken from the site of Value Research, and the fund, they do the ratings. So it's not for the all mutual funds. There may be some difference. So this data is from the Value Research, and whatever mutual fund, they do the rating. This data is from there only. So large cap return, the lowest return large cap got in last 10 years is like 11.5%. And some have performed really good. Those have given 20% return. So even with 11% return, you can you can make 86 lakh rupees. So there you are able to make 50-55 lakh. Here you can make 86, even with you are not able to identify a good mutual fund, or your mutual fund has not performed that well. So if let's say if you are lucky and you are able to like jump in the best mutual fund, your mutual fund is giving you 20% return, and these are not hypothetical. These are the real data I have taken from the real site and real mutual funds. So if you are lucky enough, you are getting 20%, then your money will be 2.5 crores. Can you see the difference? 50 lakh to like 2.5 lakh, 5 times. So this is the magic of the interest rate. This is the magic of the long-term investment. I would not recommend the short-term investment, but the long-term. Short-term also you can do, but you have to be more active, and you need to like catch on more news and everything. For long-term, you can just invest your money like FD, and you can just not forget, just keep a track like every 3 months or 6 months like that. So if you have invested in mid-cap mutual funds, so average return is 17% to 22%. So even with the lowest return, you would be able to earn 1.7 crores. So this is more than 3 times that we are getting in our fixed deposits. And small caps, here also like 17 to 26%. So imagine with 26%, you will go around 3.5 crores. But small cap is the riskiest asset class, and I won't recommend it for the beginners. So here don't take the recommendation. I'm just not recommending. I'm just giving the overview. There are a lot more thing in the mutual fund that we should be knowing before going for the investment. So these are the general things. Like multi-cap is the stocks category that invest in all the 3 categories: large, mid, and small. At least 25% they will be investing in large, 25% in mid cap, and 25% in small cap. Rest 25% is the choice of the fund manager, how they want to do. And flexi cap is the category where fund manager is like very much flexible. He can choose 100% large cap, 100% mid cap, or the 3. Any ratio of the 3 caps, large, mid, small. So it's 100% flexible, and depend on the fund manager. the one who is managing the fund. So here also you can see the return, FlexiCap 11 to 21, huge difference, Multicap 16 to 22. So for the beginner, I feel like if you are having little amount, go with the Multicap. You will be getting the flavor of everything. Just find the good one and you can start. Say if you invest in Multicap, you will be earning 1.5 crores. It's also 3 times the investment returns we are getting from the FD or the fixed return income. But again, the need is to see our goal or our requirement, matlab, for what we are saving and for how much time, after how much time we will be requiring that money. So basic principle we have to always keep in mind. Otherwise, all those have like stopped. Every asset class has its role. So just I don't matlab here with the returns, I don't wanna any way emphasize ki like no one should do the FD and all. They have their own things, and this is the own thing. I feel like as a housewives or like as a women, if we are our husband is also earning, we are also earning. So some part we can invest in mutual fund. So there is asset allocation, and according to that, you can just see how much you can take risk on. So this was for today. So if you have any query related with till here, you can just ask me. Yes, Neeti.
Which companies come in this mid-cap funds?
After 100 big companies, the next 150 companies.
Next 150, next 50, 150.
150, 101 to 250.
Okay.
According to their market cap, according to their size. Any other questions do you have?
How to join in this daughter? There was some girl child, right? Scheme.
This actually most of the banks offer this. You
Okay.
can just check online also. You can you will be able to see.
Sure.
Just Google it, and I think most of the banks are offering this scheme. You can,
Okay.
matlab, in which bank you are having the account, you can just first check with your bank.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So any other thing, any other doubt?
Hi, Shweta.
Yes, hi Girija.
I just want to know if we have some amount like 5 lakhs in the bank, which is the safest option means to invest and we get the returns and your principal is also safe.
Safest is FD or PPF.
PPF, okay.
FD, PPF, these are the safest one. If you are looking for the safety, you have to compromise on the return.
Okay, and if it is mutual funds?
Mutual fund also, I would say safe, but you need to study them. You need to know them. You can just not go with any mutual fund.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi, Shweta.
Yes. Hi, Aarti.
I want to ask for if I have to open up, I have to do a PPF for my son, then I need to open an account for my son.
Yes. And you will be the guardian or your husband will be the guardian.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You can do in his name. I'm also doing in my son's name.
Yeah, I know this one, but I am not sure. So banks open the PPF account for the children.
Yes.
Okay. So if a person is working, then he needs to do this PPF with the bank only or with the company only?
EPF is with company, Employee Provident Fund is with company.
No, I'm asking about PPF.
Yeah, PPF is Public Provident Fund. Anyone can open that account. Adult can open on their own, but if it's minor child, then parent has to be the guardian. Matlab, your details will also be there. It will be in the name of your son or daughter, but your details will also be required by the bank.
Okay. No, I'm asking just that if a person is a service person, then he needs to open an account, that I understood. But with this PPF fund, we need to ask for the company, or we can do it by own self?
PPF we do our own only. That is for the
Okay,
public.
okay.
Yes. For the
Okay,
service person, EPF is there, Employee Provident Fund. For the public,
okay.
the PPF, we have to do our investment on our own. Company doesn't have any role in that. Even business
Oh,
person,
okay.
housewives, anyone can open PPF account.
Oh,
EPF are
okay.
especially for the service person who are in
Yeah,
job.
that I know about
Companies.
the Employee Provident Fund. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Anyone has
Thank you.
any more queries? Yes.
So to invest in this mutual funds, right, you need to really have some support, or you need to study yourself and then invest, right? This is what I understand.
Yes, for me, you will be like more confident while doing the investment if you know yourself. Even if today
Okay.
I'm your financial, or I'm also financial planner. If you have a financial planner whom you trust, you can go ahead with their advice.
Okay.
Yeah. Even either you have your financial planner, or you can learn yourself. And actually, it's
what
ever evolving and ever thing. It's not like just once you have taken the advice and it's like done for the lifetime. So you will be having the idea, because there you have not learned. Like suppose if you are, I'm making your financial plan. So today, as per your income, your situation, I will be doing everything right. But say after 2 years, your income increases, then your priorities will also be increasing. Changing, sorry. So then your requirement will be different. So then you need some different plan. You can't go with today's plan.
And do you
What about those the Policy Bazaar and all? Are they accurate? Like whatever they suggest?
Accuracy, I can't say. I can't trust. Like, if it is there, then nobody will go to the financial planner or somebody. They do the comparison, but you can use, but you should know how to use them.
Yeah, that is there, but that, I mean, it shows that, I mean, I've seen the plans and all. So
Yeah,
it is,
and they are earning money from the sponsored things. Nobody is doing for the free. So
yeah, they are not doing, they are not doing for the free, but I'm just telling that, I mean, it is easy to see that, like,
if
I
you want to
guess.
see in the free, I feel, I trust Value Research site. There are lot many information, lot many funds, lot many things, even calculators and
And what
everything.
about,
I
see,
feel that.
I have a Kotak account, okay, and in the digital Kotak account, only they have the investment. So it is better to go through the same bank and what they are doing. That is better.
The same bank, I didn't understood. Same bank, same mutual fund or something?
No. So like the Kotak people, like I mean, if I have a account, okay, in a Kotak, and
Okay.
that, I mean, operate through phone, so they have the options down there, investments also. So when you click there, no, they give the multiple options of investing also. So are those safe, or these Policy Bazaar, or
No,
what?
that is safe only. Bank, if you are investing through bank, those are not fake. Those are safe options. You can go ahead. Just check. Mostly banks actually offer the regular plans. The expense ratio of the mutual fund will be higher. So you will be charged a commission by the bank. So nothing else. They are safe. You have to do your analysis, which one to buy. For that also you need some basic information or learning. So you can go to the Value Research site. Lot many information is there. In free also there is lot many things. So you can check there. You will be having the idea of what are the categories, what is this, what is there. So even I have done my research from there only, the returns and everything.
Okay. No, because I have account there, and they are any which ways you go to any stranger also, they are also charging. So better to go with the bank, right?
Different stock account like Zerodha, Paytm, they don't charge like with every transaction. So if you are planning like for long term and multiple things, so it will be better to have different investment account. But for starting, if you don't want multiple things to manage, you can go ahead with the bank.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Shweta, you were telling Shriram. So Shriram and that one bank FD, all are taxable when you maturity or whatever is there. So all are
FD, I
taxable.
think till 5,000 interest income is tax free. I have to
Mhm.
check again, or you can just Google. I think till 5,000 it is tax free. Above, over and above that, everything is taxable.
And in Shriram?
Shriram is an NBFC, that is not a bank, but a non-banking financial company. So with the bank, actually trust is more, you can trust more SBI than the Shriram. Otherwise, yeah, there is not much.
Their returns are also taxable.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Returns are taxable.
Hi, Shweta. One thing I want to know is if there is any lock-in period for mutual funds, like some mutual funds has 3 years lock-in period.
Yeah, if
And
you
after
are,
that,
yes.
after that, if you want to withdraw the money, what is the procedure like?
Okay, so lock-in period is there for the tax saving fund if you want tax benefit.
Okay.
Like
No,
say if
means
I buy that Mirai tax saver fund, so I have to
Hmm.
keep it for 3 years before redemption if I want tax benefit. If I redeem,
Okay.
I can redeem it before also, but tax benefit will be gone.
Okay. And means after that 3 years, if you want to withdraw that money,
Yes.
so what is the procedure like? Means we have to go to the bank, or means
No.
what is the procedure?
The first thing you have to see, like mutual fund where you have bought. If you have bought is physical form, then you have to go to the like agent from where you have bought. Otherwise, now everything is online. You can buy online, you redeem online. It's just one click away. You have to just place redemption request, and it will process the next day, and your money will come. For mutual fund, I think it comes 3 days or 7 days, not T+2. That is for stock. Mutual fund takes a bit longer time to
Okay.
come to our account. Yes. So any other query or any other thing?
When we want to switch from one mutual fund to the other, is there any means reduction in your money? Like means suppose you have invested in a blue chip fund and it was going on well, and suddenly because of the market this fluctuation, it means goes on a low phase. So if we want to switch, so if we switch, we will lose some money, or means it is automatically transferred.
You can do the transaction there, and some mutual fund had exit load for like if you redeem less than in before completing 1 year. Some mutual fund had exit load that is like 1%, 2%. You have to see as per the scheme, and some mutual fund don't have exit load, so your money won't be reduced, matlab won't be cut.
No,
Is
when
that
we are
correct,
switching, means is there any service charge for that? Means to the new mutual fund, is there any service charge?
Service charge in the sense whenever you buy, if you are buying through bank or something, they are like some platforms like Zerodha and Paytm, they are claiming they are not taking any fees, so you can directly buy there. If you are buying through like agents or like banks, like earlier I had this SBI security account, so there I will be getting the regular. There are actually 2 types of mutual fund, regular and direct. Direct is when we are buying ourselves. Even regular we can buy ourselves, but in regular expense ratio is more.
Regular, okay, it is more. In direct, it is not.
Yes, well, direct also has expenses, but not as much as regular one. So that you have to see. Yes.
Okay, and suppose if we are doing it through bank, like if I go to the SBI and do the mutual fund schemes and all those things, and
Yes.
on the form, if I fill that direct, so that amount will be directly coming to me, or means if we are write the agent, or means they in the form itself it is being printed so and so agent number, so it will directly go to the agent.
If you are going through bank, I don't think it will be direct. It will be regular fund, regular mutual fund only. And there you will be getting some services because they will be recommending you. They will be helping you in the filling up the form and everything. So if you are buying online, you can just buy online. So if you are going filling up the form and doing, because someone is helping you, so they will be charging you the service charge. You can consider like that. But this is my understanding.
Okay.
Yeah. So both are the same thing. But if you are taking service of someone, like some intermediaries there, you have to obviously pay them. or they will be charging you something.
Like in LIC policies and all, means if means earlier I had an agent who used to means who came means I filled the form and all those things. So every time there is a premium and all those things, the commission goes to him. Is
Yeah,
that how it
actually,
works?
the mutual fund, actually in mutual fund there is fund manager, they are having their own company and their expenses, so they have to take something, no? That's why
Okay.
stocks and mutual fund are different. They are also having some expenses, so they will be having the expenses and they will be charging you, and they are working for you, because here you are not selecting the stocks, you are not doing your work, you are just taking a mutual fund and you are hoping like the fund manager, he will be doing all the work, so he will be charging for that, and obviously that money will be like charged from this whole assets.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, yeah, I have tried making my course for the mutual fund. So this is like, how can you begin your wealth creation today? So like if you are going through the FD and all, but if you need financial planning, for that also I am open. How can I help you? But this is one thing that actually I feel as a housewife or as a like women, we all should know. We should have all the information, and I feel nowadays having information is not the problem. Having too much information is the problem. So in this course, actually, I have tried to concise the information, giving you the information that is like absolutely necessary, not too much information. Now, actually, you are having thousands of mutual funds. There are 47 categories. But if you study all of them, you will like lost what to do, where to do. So here in this course, I am just trying to take only like 5 or 10 categories. Actually, this is the pre-launch phase only today. I have not made the details of my plan. So here I will be just telling you what is like most important and what is the most basic and what is the most easy way to do it. So if you want to go ahead, like this is like mutual fund level 1 course. So here I have designed for the like four weeks. So first week I will be telling okay, what is mutual fund, how it works and everything, and there is lot many terminology related with mutual fund and stock exchange. So first session will be related with that, and along with that I will be sharing what mistakes you should not do, how to look at it. It's not like everything should be mutual fund. There is a special place in our investment, in our asset allocation, so where we should be doing that. So session will be mostly overview of the things and then terminologies. And session 2 will be like equity mutual fund categories. I won't be covering the hybrid and debt funds, because here I just want to be more concise and easy, and like what is most relevant, I'm just going with that. So mutual fund categories like 5 I have shown, and there are like growth fund, value funds, those categories are also important. I will be covering them as well. So 7 categories obviously I will be covering. Then I will see if 1, 2 from the debt or and all, if we need, we will include that as well. So third week we will be learning how to do risk profiling, how to like now we have learned 5 or 10 mutual fund category. So now how will we see what is more suitable for me? How do I find what is my risk or my goal and my things? How do I choose the product that is most suitable to me? As per my requirement. Because there may be a mutual fund that is good for someone that may not be good for you. So in the week 3, we will be doing more of the risk profiling and what is the suitable mutual funds for each category and like for each one of you. And then in the week 4, I will tell you, this is the extension of the week 3. So we will be choosing in real time what to see in a mutual fund, like the expense ratio or the fund manager or the that process that we should always follow to select a mutual fund. And week 5 I will be doing, because I'm doing this first time, so I will be reviewing your portfolio, whatever you have made, whatever you have selected. So I will also give the review either one by one or like in the group that I will see. So yeah, whatever you have chosen, whatever goals you have, I may be doing one-on-one, I may do the group class with this, reviewing your thing, or I may like form small groups of 2-3 people and do this review. So I will be starting this course in July. So I have put, I'm thinking to start in a weekday, Thursday. So even if someone wants some other timing or let's say weekend, I can do that as well. I can run 2 batches as well. So that is not an issue. So these are the tentative thing, and price I have put like 2,999. So I know I'm giving a lot in this, and I will be concising, and it will be very much value for you. I will be sharing the templates, and I'm not having my tools, but I will be telling you which tools to use, how to sell, get all the things done. So yes, wish me all the luck with all this.
Good luck, Shweta.
Yeah, thank you. So if you have any query
Best of
regarding
luck for the new endeavor.
yes, thank you. If any one of you is interested, you can, or maybe right now also you can.
I'm in, Shweta.
Yes, hi.
I'm in.
Thank you. Thank you. So right now I actually have not created any payment link or anything. So you can GPay me on my number if you are interested to buy this course.
You can put it in the group, Shweta. Whoever is interested can pay in your G. Can put your GPay.
Okay.
In the her wealth circle group है ना, उसमें डाल दो GPay number.
Okay. So maybe I'll give you like our all mentors give us our special discount for listening to us and all. So if anyone is making the payment right now, I will give in 2,499. If you are interested and really wanna, because you will be the first one in my like starting in my like giving me the confidence. I really wanna give you like 5x, 10x value in this course. If any one of you have any query related with course, actually I am planning like one session on Thursday for this course. I will be like putting in the details what all I will be exactly doing. So this is still actually a pre-launch thing. I have just done the basic thing. This is what I want to do. So yeah, by next Thursday, everything will be like quite clear. And then the price will be 2,999 only.
श्वेता समझ लो मेरा पैसा मिल गया, मैं टेक savvy नहीं हूँ, मैं I have to take help with somebody, ठीक है?
Yeah. Leena, right? Leena ji.
हाँ जी.
Yeah. Thanks for being my first one.
Always there.
So if any one of you want to ask something or like wanna pay, you can pay and book the slot and just message me also if you do that.
So it's going to be weekly once on Thursdays,
Yes.
11 to 12.
Yes.
अब मेरा बाकी का कोर्स क्लैश होगा, मेरे को पता नहीं है. I will get my schedule.
Okay, actually this timing is not fixed as of now. I have put my best timing that is more suitable to me. But as and when people will come, I can change the timing. That is not an issue. So even I can do the weekend classes on Saturday also if someone wants Saturday classes, weekend classes. So timing is like I can change here and there. It's not fixed one.
Because I'm doing various other courses also.
Okay.
So, हाँ, July जो start कर रही हूँ, that is probably in the evening, but something that is starting in August is in the mornings.
Okay. So you just let me know your preferred timing, and those who will be booking will be getting the benefit of like their timing and everything.
This time as of now is okay for me, Shweta.
Okay.
This time is
okay.
जीपे का नंबर ग्रुप में डाल देना.
Okay. Putting in chat also if someone wants to do, and I will be putting in group also. I was thinking that maybe on the Thursday only I'll show. Okay.